Welcome back, guys. It's gonna be day 2. Today what we're planning on doing is actually building or putting together the motor, fuel lines, carbs, the oil pan, and see, hopefully we can actually get it started. We might not get it done today, but I'll get back with y'all with an update here in a little bit. The block. What up the moon? Alright, so pretty much this is gonna be the pan. We all know it's rusty as hell, but I mean, we wire brushed it. We had sandblasted it, but then it stayed out in the rain, so it got rusty. But we wire brushed it, got all the dirt off, cleaned it multiple times. It's actually pretty clean. Regardless, it's gonna have oil in it, so it ain't gonna rust, you know, continue to rust with oil in it. But basically what I did, just, well, thick, pretty thick line, like a 3mm, 2mm maybe, with silicone. And then on the front and back, I always do double, because that's usually where they leak, front and back. So I got a double line there on this side, and then on this side. And right now, Ivan's actually trying to find the bolts because he don't know where they're at. Alright guys, so we gotta actually get this one stud out that broke in here. So what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna get a nut and hold it up to there and actually put the welder and weld it. Since this is aluminum, the weld won't stick to it. Hopefully we just don't damage the surface. You gotta be really careful with it. But we've got one out like that before, because it's way in there, and trying to freaking use it easy out is probably not gonna work. Plus the heat of the welder usually loosens it up a little bit, so y'all can see a struggle for a good ass minute. There it goes. So y'all can see I welded the nut right on the stud. So I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna try to break it off with the wrench. Alright y'all, so my camera memory actually got full, so I lost footage of me welding. But I finally got it welded. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Alright. Right there. There it goes. So we started breaking it loose. So I'm pretty sure it's working. But I had to try it, what, 3 times? Yeah. 3 times. Had to weld it. Alright guys, so pretty much I'm just gonna show you what we got done. We didn't get that much done, but I mean we got somewhere, I guess you could say. So for the most part what we got done is we got the oil pan in, so that's a plus, as you can see, and silicone is coming out, so it looks pretty good. We got that 1 bolt out. That took the longest, to be real with you. And I even got that intake surface cleaned up. So all of them are pretty smooth. This was a pain in the ass. My camera and my battery's been dying, so I didn't get to record much. But I gotta get some more batteries. But the damn gasket was a pain. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It won't focus, but trust me, this gasket right here is literally hard as a rock. Like, it's done. And for some reason my camera's not focusing at all. Yeah, that's a little better, I guess. But as you can tell, so there we go. So all that surface needs to be clean. I was actually putting it on here and I was like, what the hell? Because I seen like something hanging off the edge right here on the back side. I was like, dude, we ain't even took off the gasket, have we? Sure enough, I took it off and the dang gasket's still on. You couldn't even tell because it's black and it looked original. Like, you know, literally, you really couldn't even tell. But I'm sure this is like fucking original. I'm almost certain that's original. Anyways, keep following, subscribe. Y'all share this for me, please. And y'all comment if y'all like it, man. I'll see y'all next time.
Comment and subscribe.